So if you are using Miro for the first time, open your internet browser like Chrome, Firefox, Opera, Safari, Edge or anything else, and then from there you just head to Miro.com. Here you can check browse about Miro, and then but if you want to register, you just click sign up free, or if you've already registered, you just click login. Today we want to register. So from here you can enter your name, your email, your desired password for Miro. You just need to agree with the terms, condition and privacy, and then click start now. But if you already have Google account, Slack or Microsoft or Apple or Facebook, and you want to have like a single sign-on after you log into Google and so on, so you don't need to log in again, you can use this. So today we want to register with Google account, so we hit this. From here you need to agree with the terms and condition, and also the privacy policy you can read, and then tick this. And also if you want to receive news and update from Miro, tick this and then continue to sign up. From here you just enter your username and password, and then your account is created. For the first time you would need to give a name for your team. So by having a team, you would have three boards. You can name it anything and rename it later. So and then you can give some idea why you're using Miro, but this is optional, and then you need to continue. From here you can invite your teammates, like if you are a teacher you can invite your students and so on, but for now I will skip. You can add it later, and also from here you can just go start from the scratch. So Miro provides a lot of templates you can use. You can choose browse from here, but for now I will just close it because we just want to create a simple board section. So now we just create frame and then choose the size we want, color it white, and name it my first whiteboard. Now our whiteboard is ready. Now we can start to use it. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Share your feedback and experience in the comment section below. And if you want me to create other videos, please share your ideas in the comment section below. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you will get notified from my videos. So again, this is Fabian. Thanks for watching FLT channel.